All right, it's Friday afternoon, and this is the estate sale house walkthrough. 3128 Rivermont Avenue. Most of the pieces on the front porch are available apart from, and they are tagged, the two large planters and the bench. 3128 Rivermont. Front doors will open at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We've got the Christmas room. Gorgeous rug in here. We do have a rug pad for this, so just ask if you buy this rug. Over this side, we've turned it into a dining room. Lots of natural light, and the sun is shining and it's warm. Everything is for sale. A couple of things like the fireplace inserts, they remain with the house. But basically everything else is for sale. Downstairs checkout will be there, and then we've got another checkout upstairs. This is another, we'll call this the library. Okay. The house has sold. We've got this cupboard here with like pet stuff in there. An ozone machine and one of those Hulken bags on wheels, which are pretty nifty actually. The marketing pamphlets and stuff here, all information about the house. That's how it used to look. And that's how it looks now. Quite a different facade. Very Victorian, very classic. This is the art. So you scan the QR code and you'll be entered into a drawing for the art giveaway. $625 value from Findings Art Gallery in Boonesborough Shopping Centre. And they've expanded into my old shop. Great furniture. We've got the nativity, we got the Lego. And this we've turned into like the game room. You can play your mahjong around this on this table. Ralph Lauren. Glass coffee table. It's not acrylic, it's glass. It's heavy. All the plants are for sale. Everything's for sale. Everything has a price. We've got the Breville Barista Pro. Cookbooks, and we've got a little butler's pantry here. And this is the kitchen. Everything is labeled. Then out the back here, we've got the pots and the tools and all that, you know, gardening stuff, and ladders. Bring the husbands. More blurb about the house. It was built by George Morgan Jones, as of the Joneses of Jones Memorial Library in Lynchburg. You know, you'll know about it if you're remotely interested in this area or you're from this area. Okay, it's locked. That's the Rufus Group. They're the ones that sold the house. So we've got rugs everywhere. Carriage house is off limits, and so is the chapel. Nothing in there for sale. And those items over there stay with house. Everything is signed. We've got items for a holding table here, and then all the boxes and wrapping paper for you. But there are some items for sale out there too. This is the basement. Isn't it great? It's so nice. We've got the projector and the screen there. Everything's for sale in here. Rug, artwork, dressers, the fireplace. Electric fire, I was showing you that earlier. It actually, let me turn it on because maybe get different audience on the YouTube. But turn it on and look and listen. Sound effects and the light effects. And once you put it in like a fireplace surround, it looks like the real thing. All right, so that's available. You get your bloody steps in this house, I'm telling you. Wood paneling is gorgeous. We've got the wallpaper, the gorgeous floors. Look at these banisters. Carved, and look at the spindles. Okay, so we go up here. And the second checkout. Kate and Virginia, the basement girls, have been promoted, so they'll be up here. Greeting you. Lovely runner. This is the master bedroom. King bed. Master closet. Double sink. That's just a... There's nothing in there for sale. This is like a mini Sam's Club in here. All for sale. Linens, towels. Loo roll, hangers, light bulbs, tissue. Back in the master bedroom. You know, I love this rug. Vintage condition. So there's Rivermont out there. More items here for sale. The exercise room, we've got luggage, the Peloton, tennis rackets, bike helmets. Pretty self-explanatory. This is kind of like crafts and stationery. We got the Serta futon, synthesizer, desk area. I think we've got here like speakers and iPhones and Bose speaker and all that kind of stuff here. Crafty stuff down there. Love that cart. Really like that vintage cart. And another bedroom here. Absolutely gorgeous rug, look at that. This is a metal bed. We've got clothes, we've got matching bedside tables, matching lamps. A painted dresser. These are actually drawers. Stationery. And then we've got more, envelopes and maybe I should put those on the card table. Clothes. These puzzles, but they're fantastic, aren't they? They've been framed. Shoes, and we've got t-shirts. Everything's priced or there's a sign. And I think that's it. We've got almost 7,000 square feet. No tickets, no sign-up sheets, no numbers. You just queue up. All the plants are for sale, by the way, and there's some gorgeous plants. Irish pine furniture, we got matching lamps, artwork, Christmas. So you just queue up at 10 a.m. I mean, queue up whenever you want. But at 10 a.m. we open the front door and let you in. See you tomorrow. Cheers.